ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಆಗೋಗಿರೋಂಥದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋವಂಥದ್ದು, ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸರ್ವನಾಮ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಲರ್ನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು go to learn that, you must know past verbs. If you don't know, switch off your TV and learn past verbs, any past verbs. Now my teammates will say some examples. Observe and you must learn all the past verbs.
Made,
Walked,
punished,
sack, abused, went, came,
taught,
worked,
pinched,
opened, dug, ran, applied,
brought,
ran,
bowled,
opened, taught, jumped, looked,
asked,
said,
came,
caught, prayed, combed, told,
swept,
claimed,
painted,
ate, plucked, cleaned, looked,
paid,
washed,
covered,
acted, happened, used, called.
Past simple time is used to talk about activities that happened some time ago in a particular time. Here we can mention time. Now the time is 8:25. Even 8:20 is action also past. Total past activities should be said in past simple time. To make sentence, it is very easy, friends. Positive sentence. First use your subject. Subject means any pronoun or any name. I, you, we, they, he or she, it or singular or plural. You can use any one of these. All are subjects. Now I am going to do some activities. After that I will explain in past simple time. Friends, now I say you what I did. First, I went and sat. I took remote. After that, I switched on TV. After that, I watched TV for a few seconds. After that, I switched off TV. After that, I kept remote on table. After that, I drank water. Now, my teammates will do some activities. After that, they will say what they did.
Auntie, please give me a biscuit. Give me a piece of biscuit.
Dear friends, you watched my teammates did so many activities. Now they are going to say what they did now.
I went there. I took the bag. I opened the door. I kept the bag inside the room. I came back.
He asked me the car key. I went there and brought the key and gave it to him.
I asked the car key. She gave me the car key. After that, I took the calendar and I saw the date. I hung it.
I went there and I switched on the fan and I turned the controller. I went there, I switched off fan and came back. I sat. I asked auntie to give me biscuits and she brought biscuits and she gave me and I ate biscuits.
Now you also do some activities in your house. After that, say to your family members what you did. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಹ ಕೆಲವು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. Learn now to make negative sentence. Negative sentences are used to say what you did not do some time ago. It is very easy. Use your subject means any pronoun or any name. After that, use your did not. After that, you must use your only present verb because it is already past verb. So use your present verb. After that, use your object. I say now what I did not do. That picture, what you have seen. I did not eat biscuit. I did not watch TV for long time. I watched only for few seconds, but I did not watch TV for long time. Aunt did not give biscuit to girls. Aunt gave only biscuits to boys. Nirmala did not shut the door. Now my teammates will give you some examples. After that, you to say some examples what you did not do today.
I did not watch TV.
I did not drop the bag.
Auntie did not give us biscuit.
You did not ask.
I did not give her full biscuit. She did not switch on fan. Hey, I switched on fan, but I did not switch off fan.
ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Friends, learn now positive yes or no question. In yes or no questions also there are two types, positive and negatives. For positive question, use first did, then use your subject means any pronoun, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or noun, plural noun or singular noun. Afterwards use your friends present verb. Remember here you must use your only present verb, not past verb. Then use your object, then question mark. For example, did I watch TV?
Yes, you watched.
Next question, did aunt give biscuit?
Yes, she gave.
Next question friends, did uncle drink water?
No, he did not.
No,
He did not.
Friends, learn now negative yes or no question. It is usually used to confirm the answer. Here it is very simple. Just use not here. First use did, then subject, then not, then present verb, then O means object. Afterwards write a question mark. For example, did uncle not watch TV? I asked them. Did uncle not watch TV?
No, he did not.
Next question. Did aunt not give you biscuit? Reena and Finney, stand up. Did aunt not give you biscuit?
No, she did not.
No, she did not. One more question. Did your parents not come to class today?
No, they did not.
Next question. For you, did Febin not give biscuit? If you don't know answer, I will ask him direct. Febin, stand up. Did you not give biscuit to her?
Yes.
Yes, I gave. Say.
Yes, I gave.
Very good. Dear friends, my teammate will ask questions. After that, you pause your TV and ask question in your family and practice more.
Did you give me biscuit? Yes, I gave you. Did I not give you biscuit? Yes, you gave.
Did I give you the car key?
No.
Did I not give you the car key?
Yes, you gave. Did you keep my bag inside?
Yes, I kept.
Did I hang the calendar?
Yes. Girls, did I give you biscuits?
No, you did not.
Did I not give you the biscuits?
You gave to boys. You did not give us. Did I give you biscuit? You did not give me biscuit. Auntie gave me biscuit.
Hello friends. Now pause your TV or computer and ask questions to your family members. Ask many questions and practice more. Okay friends, learn now positive information question. It is very easy. See, this is yes or no question formula. Just add question note first. Question note plus did, otherwise any pronoun, I, you, we, they, he, any pronoun. Then use a present verb, remember that. Afterwards use a object. If you want to mention time, use a mention a time by using add verb, then question mark. For example, what did I watch?
You watched TV yesterday.
How long did I watch TV?
You watched TV for a few seconds.
When did I drink water?
You drank the water after switching off the TV.
Where did I keep the remote?
You kept the remote on the teapot.
Learn next positive question using question word who. Here little bit difference is there to that question and this question. First use your who. Here you must use past verb, not present verb, past verb. Then use your object. If you like, you can use your add verb to show the time. For example, who ate biscuit?
We ate biscuit.
Who threw the key?
Nobody
Who switched off the fan?
She switched off the fan.
Learn now negative information question using question word who. First use your who, afterwards you have to use your did not to make negative information question. When you use did not, here you must use your present verb, not past verb, present verb, then object, then question mark. For example, who did not watch TV?
Uncle did not watch TV.
Who did not switch off the fan?
She did not switch off the fan.
Who did not close the door?
Nirmala did not close the door.
Who did not cry?
We
Did not cry.
Next, negative question using question word why. It is very easy. First